Cloudbursts, flash floods, death and devastation. This tragic sequence has been playing on loop for the state of Uttarakhand in India for the last few years, and history, unfortunately, has repeated itself. At around 1:30 in the afternoon local time, a cloudburst struck Dharali village in Uttarakhand, triggering flash floods that swept away people and houses. A giant wave of water came gushing through the area, destroying everything in its path, catching locals and visitors completely off guard. The Kheer Ganga River began to swell, sending tons of muddy water gushing downwards on the hilly terrain, covering roads, buildings and shops in Dharali, which is a popular tourist spot. Eyewitnesses who shot the dramatic footage of the muddy water coursing through the streets could be heard shouting, blowing whistles and shouting "run." But the sudden surge did not give people a chance to escape. The death toll is only expected to rise as many people are believed to be trapped under the debris. The Indian Army, which was stationed near the site of the disaster, was among the first responders. Within 10 minutes of the incident, 150 personnel from the Indian Army were mobilized and reached the site. A 16-member team from the Indo-Tibetan Border Police also reached Dharali. Rescue teams moved in swiftly, navigating difficult terrain to extract trapped individuals and ensure their safe evacuation. The sludge from Kheer Ganga has blocked a part of the region's main river Bhagirathi and created an artificial lake submerging vast tracts of land. Now, concern is growing that if this water is not drained out quickly, it can pose a serious threat to towns and villages downstream. Army personnel have been urging people to stay away from the water. A cloudburst is an extreme amount of rainfall in a short period, often over a small geographical area. It typically occurs in mountainous regions and can lead to sudden flash floods and landslides. Cloudbursts happen when warm, moist air quickly rises over mountains, cools down and turns into heavy rain. Hilly regions are more prone to cloudbursts because warm air with high moisture content meets cooler air at high altitudes. This results in intense convection and localized torrential rain. The cloudburst in Uttarakhand comes as the monsoon has been wreaking havoc across the Himalayan states. Rains are incessant and rivers are flowing above danger levels. But the commercialization of places like Dharali has disrupted the region's natural drainage systems, resulting in increased flooding. Rapid, unplanned construction, especially in fragile mountain ecosystems, has increased vulnerability to landslides and flash floods. And Uttarakhand is bearing the brunt of this man-made disaster.
Fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what the they're doing.